This is our breakfast time. Father's been cooking pancakes for us. Let me show you a picture of cooking. And this is Alexei. He's waiting for his breakfast. And Carey. And this is like porridge. Typical breakfast for Ukraine people.
Butter bread.
Yeah, butter bread.
Maybe not so typical. Because Ukraine people not very like porridge in the morning.
Oh, well, Alex.
I don't know, somebody, I don't know, my English. I'm not now somebody who can like the porridge in the morning. For example, me, I don't like porridge.
Alexei is the only person in Ukraine who doesn't like porridge.
Many men very like meat in the morning.
That's true.
For breakfast, not porridge.
That's true. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Fine.
Fine. Let me make a small video. 1 moment. So, okay. Hello. How are you?
I'm fine.
Good. Good.
I'm fine. Good.
Good. Are you off to church? You going to church?
Yes.
Yeah. With Nazar.
Yes.
Yeah. Very good. Good to see you again.
Me too.
Okay. This is normal for Ukraine. Squashing 4 people into the back seat. It's normal. It's not a problem for us. Oi.
Oi.
Oi. The door is closed.
Sorry.
Bumpy car. Bumpy road. Bumpy road. Oi. A bumpy road.
Crazy road.
As Nazar says, it's safari. Yes, Nazar?
Yes,
Safari. But where are the lions?
on the road.
On the road.
Hello, Carey. Welcome to our church.
Thank you, Alexei.
It's for the first time you're
Yes,
looking.
very first time in real life.
So exciting. And they've been doing some work on the ground here.
Yeah, big difference.
Leveling and making flat. And some changes since I was last here. We have much work to do still in this place.
I like the roof, that's good.
Yeah, the good roof. And now the building men are pausing, stopping, and we are waiting for God to help us, give us some more money for this project. And we have built this building so far by trusting God, and we will see it finish. It's a wonderful thing.
This way.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. He did a lot of work.
Yeah, there's lots of plastering.
It's looking good.
I also
They need doing more, but not so. It's like my English.
not so big.
Biggest part we did.
Yeah, we are 3/4.
Okay.
3/4 finished.
So the next biggest will be outside?
No.
The main is here, and later, after we'll do all around. But main is also there. Well, we have fireplace.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, real.
Lovely.
It's not decorated. It's just no.
Yeah. It's like old-fashioned fireplace,
Nice.
like old style. Old style.
It will be very warm.
Yep.
It can be warmed by this fireplace in this hall, in kitchen,
Yep.
and in guest room and in children's room.
Okay.
Wow.
Yeah, it will be warm. Here will be the door. the people can have coffee here and eat some biscuit and still speaking after service. In the time of service, here will be on this wall, will be they will use a projector.
Okay.
Yeah, and here will be ear speakers, just people for whom it's difficult to go to main hall, for example, if have problem with legs or maybe our problems, they will be sitting here and listen to and watching what is will be on the main in the main hall.
Yeah. Oh, it's a great idea.
Yeah. It will be war office. It's like, why here office? Because we don't want people looking in all house. There are pass or some minutes. So just they are going inside. Okay. We will go into the second floor. Okay, second floor main hall, and later after we will go to the underground. Glass.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
And many this light, different things for light. Yeah,
Can you imagine lots of people in here?
yeah,
It'll be very exciting.
yeah.
Wow.
I believe what it will be soon.
Yes, I believe too.
I believe.
It's very close, Alexei.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's very close where we finished.
I believe in this year.
And then we are going to have a great rejoicing.
Great celebration.
And maybe this echo sound in this building, like, woo! For singing, hallelujah!
And for children.
Oh, okay.
And for people too, because sometimes people, not especially, that can touch by legs, and can break. And children, they are like playing.
Yes, yes.
It will be protected.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Yeah.
But I very like this hall.
So for all windows,
Main hall. Huh?
will you put special border on all?
So, like this stand, very big.
The building's made of very thick concrete. It's a very solid building, and it will remain here for many lives, many lives, past our lifetime. Now we're going back down to the first level,
Yeah, underground.
and then we are going to go underground.
To the bomb shelter.
So now we're back to the first level. And now we're going to the basement.
Be careful.
Oi.
Did you guess?
Yeah,
Electricity.
I got some electric shock.
Oi. Be careful, please.
From what?
The wires.
The disc. Oh.
Something maybe
They're not big shock, but some shock. Because I was filming and my arm brushed across this wire.
Because of this, I said be careful.
Yeah, yeah.
Because I don't know if the guys was here. This doesn't work. Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
This will be room for it's like hostel.
Okay.
Here we'll be standing two bedroom or three bedrooms, like 2 floors.
Oh, wow.
Bunk beds.
It's like for 6 people.
Yeah.
6 people.
Understand.
Boom, boom. And here will be table, some stuff, and 2 or 3 chairs.
Okay.
Here's the place. It's plenty place for bedrooms like hostel. It will be like hostel. Your husband made me so good today. I will help you. Part of this road, Carey, out. But we will not take this road
Right.
because people using theirs, and we want a good for people.
Yeah.
For us, it's like 1 meter of territory. It's not a big problem. Like this. This is a powerful bus station. It's only 1 minute and you will be here. And because of this, tourists will be using the bus coming to church.